Hey bestie, I'm Kenya and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining in for a little unboxing, y'all. So I got my new Cocoa Daisy kit in the mail and I wanted to open it because it's so pretty. It is so pretty. So if you want to see what the February kit for Cocoa Daisy is all about, Penelope, y'all, then stay tuned. Okay, bestie. So first up, let me say thank you so much to Cocoa Daisy for sending this over to me. I'm excited to create with it. And y'all, they are doing the Penelope kit, okay, for February. Y'all know February is love month, okay? And I just thought this was so pretty. It is so, so pretty. So if you don't know anything about the Bridgerton series or anything like that, Penelope is definitely one of the main characters. And this kit is definitely inspired by that. So by that whole series, the last season, I believe. And so I'm just excited to open it up with y'all. So what we're gonna do, let's open up the first let me tell y'all what I get. I get the Bible journaling sticker kit. I also get the planner sticker kit, and I get the vertical planner inserts, okay? And so we're gonna open the inserts first, just because the name and stuff is on it and everything. And y'all, I just thought this was so pretty. I feel like every month though with Cocoa Daisy I save it. Like I feel like I literally save it every single month. Okay, so it comes with, normally there's like some type of die cut in here, and I just like these because they're like little keepsakes and stuff. You can pop these in your journal and things like that, so I love that. If you don't know about the Cocoa Daisy planner like subscription, then listen, it is tea, literally, okay? And we spilling it. It is tea, y'all. Like if you're into journaling, planning, you like different things, like different patterns and different themes, you want something new, fresh every month, sign up for this subscription, okay? Sign up for it. I actually have a coupon code for it. And y'all, I've been enjoying Cocoa Daisy for over a year now, and they just keep doing it, okay? They keep doing it. And so this Penelope theme, like look at it, look at the peacock, the florals, just so beautiful. Okay, so it says February 2025. Dearest readers, as February graces us once again, love is in the air, but be assured this month is for all, not just sweethearts. Whether wrapped in cozy friendships, indulging in fine chocolates, or savoring the joys of a scandalous novel, there is no shortage of delights to be found. Keep your eyes open, dear reader, for in the game of love and life, surprises await around every corner. Yours ever faithfully, Lady Cocoa Daisy. I love it. It's so cute. So cute. I'm definitely going to pop it in my journal. Okay. All right, y'all, so let's pop this vertical insert open. Okay, so it always comes with like a cover page, and as y'all can see, this one says, we choose to love each other every single day. It is a choice, dearest, one that is never too late to make. Lady Bridgerton. Yes, girl. And can we just talk about it? Okay, can we just talk about it, y'all? It's so pretty. I love that it's already like pre-decorated too, but then of course we can add our own things and own spins. And this page here, I've used it in several different ways, like a monthly overview, like a dashboard. I've used it as like a bucket list of some sort. Like I've done faith bucket. I've done several types of bucket lists with this page. Also, it can serve as a memory page too. So you can add pictures, or you can do like your monthly highlights and stuff like that. I feel like this is so pretty, and it would be so cute. And like for February, being that like it's like love month, like you said, like the card said, I mean, there's so much you can document, like your favorite treats, like how you're loving on yourself, self-love and all of that. So I'm excited. But it says, just a hopeless romantic, okay? Romanticize your life. And then, y'all, there's a calendar included. Oh, the peacock. That is really beautiful. It says her world was the color of pearls, pale white and pink and softly glowing. Okay, and then here's the author of that quote. There, it's just beautiful, beautifully decorated. Like literally just add pen to these because it's so pretty. And then here's the planner spread. Like, it's so pretty, y'all. Look at the florals and the peacock. Ooh, so pretty. And you definitely get enough. Like, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spreads out of this. Okay, and then y'all, you do come to like a note section. Here's what the note section is looking like. It's giving tea. Find out who you are and do it on purpose. Love that. Oh, I love that. I love that quote. I love that quote so much. That's so cute. And then y'all, these are some of my favorite like little inserts that's included in this. It's like these little sheets that you can definitely, they're perforated, so you can fold them. Love. I love the pop of color too. Like this little pop over here is given. Dearest gentle reader. And I like it because like when you date it, like you can put your dates over here to the side and you can still see them, you know? And it's like a little weekly page, like one page weekly, okay? You can plan out the week, put all your like weekly highlights here, have a running to-do list. I like to break this up though. I'll break it up into like my weekly I'll put like my events and schedule over here, but then I'll put like my task over here, like my cleaning list, my, you know, errands, my to-do list or whatever on this side, and I'll kind of break this section up if need be. And then here you can put like habit trackers, or just anything that you want, like any type of inspiration or whatever, but I've used it for habit trackers in the past. And then on the back, like any type of shopping that I might need to do, or if I need to be reminded of like the bills that are due this week or whatever week it's on, of course, or whatever, I can section that off, like make like my whole little, you know, adulting cheat sheet. Okay, and I like that it folds. Of course it does fold the other way. Okay, it does fold front and back. And then of course you can tear this off too, like if you want to, you can tear it. So I just love it. I love it. I love it. I love it so much. Okay, and so you get 1, 2, 3, 4, I believe it's 6 of them, 5, yeah, 6 of these. So 6 spreads and then 6 of these weekly sheets here. And so that's what's in the vertical insert, y'all. Super cute. Okay, one thing about Cocoa Daisy though, they come with a whole bunch of things. Okay, so it's not just these inserts. Like you have like A6, I believe it's A6 size or B6 size. You have some kits for like the Hobonichi, like pretty much whatever planner you use, they have a kit for it. Okay, that will fit that, and it's in this theme. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, so now let's talk about the planner stickers. Okay, and so this is the planner sticker kit here, y'all. Okay, and I always love this one too because, I mean, duh. I feel like I love all of them. I'm gonna tell y'all different reasons why though. Okay, so and I know you're probably wondering like what's the difference between planner stickers and the Bible journaling sticker kit. I love these dots. Okay, I use these dots, y'all, a lot, and I just get excited because each month I get like a new color, a new theme, or something like that, or whatever. And then like, I don't know, I love this whole little page. Okay, this whole little page makes me happy. And then I love these quotes. Okay, you always get like a monthly type of sticker, that's something that says like hello whatever month it is. And so this is February, and then you get all these decorative stickers. Super pretty, super pretty. Like I already know I want to make like a love journal. I want to make, because this is like Dear Diary for me, like Dearest Reader. I want to make like a love journal spread out of this. I really do. I already know that. That's probably what I'm gonna make. And got like these florals and stuff. So pretty. Different quotes. You must be the best judge of your own happiness. So right. So true. You must allow me to tell you how ardently I admire and love you. You are allowed to be both a masterpiece and a work in progress. Lady Danbury's Beauty Elixir. So cute. And then too, y'all, you get some washi strips down here. Get like a functional strip here. Like, I just love this. Okay, and then it comes with all of like these little, what I call these like kit boxes, okay, because this is what you like traditionally see in like planner kits. So you get like these checklists and these like weekly tracker type stickers and habit trackers. You also get some dates too, more boxes and functional stickers, and then once again you get these labels. Every month I look forward to these because you get different fonts, you get different just different things. Like, it's always, I feel like it's always something unique about them. And then I love these hydrate stickers too because like they come in handy. Okay, so you get like pretty much a month's worth of these like habit trackers, hydrate stickers. You got boxes. Then of course you got your decor. Okay, you got your decor, y'all. And so I don't know, I think it's the florals. The florals have my heart. And that peacock is cute. Oh, look at this little letter down here. Okay, and the teapot, that letter, that envelope, that's really cute. Really pretty. Okay, and then you also, one of my favorite things is these hexagons. I love them. Oh, I love what they did with the icons. I think the colors of this kit too is super bright. It's not what you would probably think for like Love Month, because you think of the pinks and the reds and stuff. But this is giving beautiful, like beautiful color. You get your menu planning stickers this week and next week. And then you get some like temperature stickers, and then more little boxes over here. And then y'all would get washi. Get the washi strip, okay? And all the different patterns. And I like this because it just kind of gives me like that eclectic feel. You know, like when you want that eclectic look in your planner, you can mix these up and everything and do a bunch of layering, and it will make for a beautiful spread. I'm telling you, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I think I want to make a love journal, for real. Like a love journal out of this. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, so y'all, that's what comes in the planner sticker kit. Okay, so now let's talk about the Bible journaling sticker kit. Okay, and this is also a favorite of mine because I love the scriptures. Not even gonna hold y'all, they always be so pretty. Okay, the different scriptures and stuff. And I pretty much, I don't even have any of these like most of the time left over because I be using all of them. Okay, so you get this scripture page right here. And what I didn't tell y'all, I didn't do a good job of this with the planner sticker. So let me go back. Okay, these are like a transparent dot. They're not like, I don't use these to like check on top of them. I just use them to highlight. The same with the washi here. It's like that transparent paper. Then of course like these highlight stickers. But then the rest of these are paper stickers. You can definitely write on the boxes and stuff. But the rest of these are paper. So these are like more of that transparent look. And these are paper. Okay, this on the other hand, this is also like that transparent paper, clear almost, and I just love these. Love these. You must love the Lord with all your heart, all your soul, and all your mind, stepping in God's word. We love because he first loved us. Jesus is my cup of tea. Let all you do be done in love. So I mean, y'all get it. And then you get more washi strips. Okay, more. And y'all see how like you can, I feel like you can just pick this up and lay this in your planner and it's gonna be pretty. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Okay, so then all of these, however, are paper. Okay, These are all paper stickers. So you do get some paper form, like a paper form of washi. Okay, and these are all like washi strips that are paper. And you get some dates, okay, which is really nice. So between the two of these kits, you get a set of dates each, you know, so that's really nice. And then y'all, I love the Bible kit because it always comes with some type of fun, like functional sticker to me. So I feel like these little shapes and stuff, they're very much Bridgerton, you know, inspired. Okay, and then like look at the little note, like the notepad ribbing in the sticky notes, or like the clips and stuff. Then you have functional ones here. You have these with the leaves, like cute. Another one of my favorite things about the Bible journaling sticker kit are the alpha stickers. Every month there's a different alpha type, and I like that these are green. Pressure. Okay, and then y'all, we get some more pretty decorative stickers in this kit as well. The decor is not left out. Okay, and y'all see, like, Bible study, God is love, Lord, there's none like you, shout for joy, Jesus loves me. Love that. And then I also really like these labels here. Like, you know, you can just label them on top of boxes and things like that in your faith planner, your planner spreads. And it's just various things. So you have like a monthly sticker. So February, Sunday worship, the good news, devotional. And then you kind of have like little quotes and stuff too. And love one another, his grace is enough, how great thou art, let all that you do be done in love. And then you even have more here, and then you of course have some boxes as well. So I love this, y'all. This is the Bible journaling kit. Okay, so that's what I receive every month from Cocoa Daisy. These are the kits that I am subscribed to, as well as the vertical insert. Okay, but like I said on the site, y'all, it does not matter like what planner you're using. There's definitely something you can use and decorate your planner and have like a whole thing. And I'm gonna tell y'all one thing that's very useful with these kits, like especially like if you are a buju person, like if you like bullet journaling and you like to create like a monthly vibe, you know, like every month you set up your planner and like you set up your trackers and stuff. I just feel like these kits take out the guesswork for you. They take out the guesswork. Okay, and you can definitely set that up every single month and do all your layering. There's even like they have stamps available on the site as well, or in some of the different subscription kits and stuff that's available. Like there's so much, y'all. I highly suggest you go check it out. And I'm raving about it because I truly love it. Like it's so cute to me, so cute. And being that I'm a stationery planner girl, lover, I mean, all of this just kind of brings me a lot of joy. Hashtag obsessed. Okay, so y'all, that is the February Cocoa Daisy kit. By the time you see this video, I believe early subscription will be available, and you want to jump on it quick because y'all, the planners, they be knowing about this stuff, okay? And y'all probably already know what's tea, literally, when it comes to this. So definitely, like I said, just check it out if you're into it. And then I believe like subscription fully will go live later this month. So see my link in the description box. It'll have all of the details there, as well as a coupon code. And again, thank you so much to Cocoa Daisy for sending these goodies over. I hope you all have enjoyed this. And please comment below, like, is this your wave? Like, do you love this kit? Is it gorgeous or not? Like, comment below, leave your bestie comment, and definitely subscribe if you have not and you're new to my channel. I would love to have you over here, bestie. So yeah, bestie, that is it for this video. Until next time, I love you guys. Bye.